Lemon water is an exceptional way to stay healthy, hydrated, and in line to meet your weight loss goals. So, how does lemon water help? Low in calories. Lemon water is very low in calories. A glass of water containing half a lemon juice has only 6 calories, which promote fullness and is an effective way to lose weight. Boosts metabolism. Beginning your day with lemon water can stimulate metabolism and pump your body to burn calories. Sipping on lemon water throughout the day also helps you manage binge eating. Makes you feel more full. It is low in calories and loaded with vitamin C, which promotes fullness in the same way as a regular glass of water. It can also help you reduce your calorie intake. Keeps you hydrated. Opting to sip in lemon water throughout the day keeps the hunger pangs at bay and flushes out toxins and waste that builds in our system. Helps with digestion. Lemon water has an alkalizing effect on the body. Drinking more water can help to reduce the risk of constipation and stimulate healthy digestion by directly eliminating waste. Helps with detoxification. Lemon water aids our bodies in the process of flushing the toxins out and restoring liver function. Keeps you from getting sick. 1 lemon contains 30.7 mg of the daily recommended dose of vitamin C. It plays an important role in fighting off free radicals that can cause illnesses and diseases. Boosts energy. Lemon water is a detox drink that keeps you hydrated and also gives you the energy to start your day with a kick.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,